Hello all my Forex traders, welcome back to the YouTube channel. If you're finding me for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel and join me on my Forex journey. So like I do every week, I'm going to break down to you that the currency pairs that I'm going to be looking at and what Forex trade setups I have on the Forex market. So if you're looking at the right side on TraderView, you can see now on my watch list, I've literally narrowed it down. I've narrowed down all my Forex pairs. Literally, you can see before, all my accurate pairs I used to trade all these all these pairs. But what I've done now, I've literally limited it down to 3 pairs. And the reason is because the last few weeks, it's just too much trying to trade all these pairs. It's good, don't get me wrong, but sometimes the pairs might conference with each other. For instance, if I sell on Euro JPY, then I buy on Euro USD, it's kind of like I'm buying and selling against the Euro. So what I've done now is just limited it down to AUD CAD, Euro USD and GBP JPY, those 3 pairs. And when I look back at my trading log, those are the 3 pairs that I've had consistent winnings on. So I'm literally just going to be trading those 3 pairs. And I've added the Dutch 30, German 30, gold and US 30, right? So got 2 in the sea and 1 metal in there as well. So let's start off with AUD CAD. If you know, this is my favorite pair. I love trading this every week. We're going to look at last week's candlestick, and what you can see, the market is actually in a downtrend on the weekly time frame, but I do believe we have made a new lower low on a really good time frame. Now the market's going to have a pullback towards the upside. So I am actually looking at buy position on AUD CAD. So we look on the daily time frame. You can see now. So if you notice that I've already got into this trade. So I'm like 27 pips in profit on AUD CAD. You can see it right there. Proofs in the pudding. So and literally this trade is break even as well. You can see I've moved my stop loss to break even. So this is a free running trade right now on AUD CAD. So let's look at it on a daily time frame. What I was looking for last week is for market to close above this. You can see this resistant level. I was waiting for market to close above that resistant level on a daily time frame, which it did. And I did get in for a trade for a buy. I did buy, but the market went up and it came back down and took me out break even. So literally, I did not make anything in that trade last week. And coming again, the whole reason why I got back into it this week on Monday, which I normally don't trade on Monday, but because I only trade 3 pairs now, I'm going to start trading on Mondays. Only if the setup is really, really good. So we're looking at it on a 4-hour time frame. I'm going to explain to you. Look, it's broken this resistance level. It came back down. We've had the retest. This is where I got in on a Thursday. See the market shot up a bit, but then it rejected off of my 100 EMA and shot back down, took me out, which break even. You see the market came back down and retested this resistant level, which is now holding as our new form of support. On a 1-hour time frame, we've had this bullish engulfing candlestick pattern, and voila, there you go. I decided to get in off of that, rejected off the support level and also the trend line as well. Most important, there's a free confluence is there. We've got our support level, the bullish engulfing candlestick pattern, and bouncing off our trend line. There's 3 conferences. That's why I got into this trade for a buy. So that's AUD CAD breakdown, whole reason why I got into that trade. And we're going to let that run for the rest of the week. So my stop loss is around 250 pips up to this level here. But I'll be honest with you, I'm probably going to come out at around 100 pips. And the whole reason is because we are in a downtrend. So I don't believe if it does come back up to this level, then we could be seeing the end of this trend. Or you know what? It might reject this resistant level right here. This key resistant level. And see how the market reacts around. If it does push up to this side, and I will be looking to place a sell trade on this. So that's AUD CAD. I'm in a buy. Like I said, 27 pips in profit, which is going strong right now. Very good. Let's see. I'll probably revisit this back during the week and let you know, give you an update on this trade. Let's move on to Euro USD. Gutted. Oh my gosh, this was a trade I was going to take as well, but because of AUD CAD, I didn't. So look, we've had this break above this resistant level, Nice breakout on a Friday, and now because it's Monday, I don't want to get a bit too over confident, so I did not take this trade. But this bullish engulfing candlestick pattern right here, I was gonna take a buy trade from it around 1 o'clock London time, but I did not. But you can see the market is pushing up towards the upside. So with Euro USD, we're gonna see how it reacts with this key resistant level right here. So I'm sure this is off a daily. Yep, we're going to see how it reacts in this zone here. If we're going to get any candlestick reversal pattern. But I do believe, right, let's look at Euro USD. Look at it on a weekly time frame. I do believe we are pushing towards making moves above, towards the upside. Because you see it's closing above the 100 EMA on a weekly time frame. And we look on a daily, you can see here, this was a lower high, higher high, lower high. And I am expecting it some come up and test this key resistant level right here. Another key resistant level we got right here as well. I am expecting the market to come and probably push for a new lower high on a daily time frame. So this could play out in the next few days. But if we do not, I'll be honest with you, will be looking to try and get in on a buy trade if we do get a nice pullback on Euro USD. So we missed a trade opportunity on that. And also I always say it wrong. GBP/JPY. It's a bit what's it looking like? We see, right? So looking at it on a weekly time frame, I do believe that now we have come to an end of this uptrend. You can see for the last few weeks, it has been since April, GBP/JPY has been trading on an uptrend, a strong bullish trend, and I believe now we have come to the end of it. And what I was waiting for, a close beyond this weekly support level. You can see the shooting star we have formed, and if it closes like this, if we get a daily closure below it, then I'll be looking to place trades, to placing some sell trades on GBP/JPY. So look, we've had on a 1 hour time frame, we've had the candlestick closure below this resistant level. And now you can see on a 4 hour time frame, what I'm a bit skeptical is this hammer. So normally what happens is when I watch this, if I do see the market close, if I do get a candlestick closure below this point, then I'm going to look to sell. But what normally happens is this might be a false breakout. I'm going to see GBP/JPY shoot back up towards the outside and probably still continue its downtrend. But it's looking good right now because we've closed below 100 EMA, this support level. And now we're just going to try and find a nice sell trade opportunity. So what another good sell opportunity will be like this. So a scenario like this, if the market come and test this support level, which is now should be holding as our new resistant level, if we get any nice candlestick reversal pattern on a 1 hour, 4 hour time frame, then I will look to sell GBP/JPY. But if we don't, then I will not be getting in no trade on that. So that brings it pretty much with those three currency pairs. I'm not going to do no breakdown on German 30 because I'll be honest with you, like, I am studying it right now. I'm not really taking no trades on it. I'm just seeing how German 30 moves and getting used to that market, how indice moves. You know, if you trade indice, it could be a very, very tough place, like literally. And if we look at US 30, pretty much holding at this resistant level as well on a weekly time frame. But the main pair I want to talk about is gold. Right, so we look at gold. A lot of people was looking to buy from this level here, if you remember, yeah? I'm scrolling on the daily time frame. I remember a lot of people looking to buy from this level here. They thought this was a strong support level. Like, I see a lot of traders saying, get ready for the buy. But what has happened, the market has closed below it. And look, since we've closed below this support level on the daily time frame, you know, look how many times it has tried to close back above it. It is not closing back above that support level. So this now tells us this is our new resistant level is holding very, very firm. So if we look at it on a 4 hour time frame, right, nice. I tried to take a trade on gold last week, literally lost that. That was quite ruthless for a buy, but now I do believe we are in this consolidation zone. So if the market if the gold does touch this resistant level, right here, if it touched this resistant level at 1932, then I'm going to be looking for sell trades. As you can see, how many times it's touched it and the market just rejected. So with gold, I am going to be taking my trade on a 15-minute time frame with gold. So people look out for any setup on gold when if it touches anywhere in this resistant level, scroll on the time frame and look out for any candlestick reversal patterns, anything like that to take a sell trade. So people, that's it. That's gonna wrap up this week's technical analysis. Trades that I'm looking to get into this week. As you already know, I'm already in AUD CAD, Euro USD, going to be monitoring that, GBP, JPY, looking for a sell trade as well. Yeah, that's it, man. I'm going to give you an update on Wednesday. Let you know how the trades are going. If I've gotten any trades, don't forget, follow me on the Instagram, Twitter, all of that. The link's all in the description. Peace out, people. See you on the next one.